Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thinking about getting into drone flying but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the best beginner-friendly drones that make it easy to take off, fly, and capture amazing footage, even if you've never piloted a drone before. From easy controls and stable flight to helpful features like auto takeoff and return to home, these drones are perfect for first-time flyers. All the product links are in the description below. So let's jump in and find the perfect drone to kickstart your aerial adventures.
Number 5. Rise Teo. With its high-quality image processor, the Teo drone captures incredible photos and videos, ensuring you can record memorable moments with ease. Even if you're a novice flyer, you can create professional-level videos using easy shots and instantly share them on social media directly from your smartphone. Impressive camera performance. The Teo features a 5MP camera capable of capturing stunning 2592 by 1936 resolution photos and HD 720 videos. Enjoy up to 13 minutes of flight time per battery charge, allowing you to capture plenty of aerial footage without interruption. Stable video transmission. Equipped with 2 antennas, the Teo ensures extra stable video transmission, providing you with a clear and uninterrupted view of your surroundings. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or engaging in aerial acrobatics, you can rely on the Teo for smooth video transmission. Fun and easy flying experience. Powered by DJI. Number 4. Auto Robotics Evo Nano Plus. Weighing just 249 g, the Evo Nano Plus is a feather-light quadcopter that can be flown in more places than drones above the 250 g weight limit. With its foldable arms and compact dimensions, it can be conveniently carried in your backpack or dedicated case, perfect for capturing the beauty of nature discreetly. Equipped with a 1/1.28-inch 50-megapixel sensor and capable of recording ultra-sharp 4K/30 FPS video, the Evo Nano Plus captures impressive aerial footage and stunning 50MP photos. The 90 degrees adjustable camera allows for broader vision and perfect Ultra HD picture capture, ensuring you never miss a moment. RYYB Color Filter Array Design. Featuring an RYYB color filter array design, the Evo Nano Plus enhances light input by over 40% compared to traditional RGB designs. Combined with a large aperture of f/1.9, this drone offers superior noise reduction and effortlessly produces quality images even in low light conditions. Enhanced safety with 3-way obstacle avoidance. With advanced obstacle avoidance technology, including 6 computer vision sensors and an ultrasonic sensor, the Evo Nano Plus ensures safe and precise flying. New drone pilots can fly with confidence knowing that obstacles are detected and avoided effectively. HDR mode and dual autofocus system. Enable HDR mode to capture rich detail in both shadows and highlights, regardless of lighting conditions. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect companion for your adventures, whether it's hiking in the mountains, road tripping along scenic routes, or enjoying a day at the beach. Take your creativity to new heights with this portable drone by your side. Extended flight time. Experience extended flight sessions with the option to use the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately and available in select countries, which can extend flight time up to 51 minutes. Please note that using this battery may increase the weight of the aircraft beyond 249 g, requiring registration for commercial purposes. Stunning 4K HDR video. Capture crystal clear aerial shots with the DJI Mini 3's 4K HDR video capability. Whether it's daylight or nighttime, this drone ensures exceptional image quality, capturing details in both highlights and shadows for breathtaking footage. True vertical shooting. With true vertical shooting, capturing tall landmarks such as skyscrapers and waterfalls is easier than ever. The Mini 3 automatically adjusts its orientation to capture striking vertical videos. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. In this DJI Mini 4 Pro review, we delve into the features and capabilities of this compact yet powerful folding mini drone designed for adults. With its 4K HDR video camera, lightweight design, and advanced flight technology, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers an unparalleled aerial experience. Weighing in at just 249 g, the DJI Mini 4 Pro falls below the registration threshold in many regions, providing users with the freedom to travel light and skip the registration process. Say goodbye to cumbersome paperwork and hello to hassle-free flying adventures. Omnidirectional Vision Sensing. Equipped with omnidirectional vision sensing technology, the DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts precise detection capabilities in all directions. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone can better detect obstacles and minimize the risk of collisions, making it ideal for both novice and experienced pilots alike. Extended flight time. Experience uninterrupted flights thanks to the Mini 4 Pro's extended battery life, offering up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Bid farewell to battery anxiety and explore vast landscapes without interruption, capturing stunning aerial footage along the way. Immersive aerial footage. With its 20 kilometers max video transmission distance and 4K HDR video capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers unparalleled image quality and clarity. Immerse yourself in real-time aerial views like never before, capturing every moment with breathtaking detail. Intelligent flight features. Take your aerial photography and videography to new heights with intelligent flight features such as Active Track 360 degrees. Seamlessly track subjects and capture smooth. Number 1 DJI Mini 2 SE. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 SE is exceptionally lightweight and compact, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures such as hikes and road trips. Enjoy the freedom to capture breathtaking aerial moments wherever your journey takes you. No registration required. Flying for recreational purposes? With its weight below the 249 g threshold, the DJI Mini 2 SE does not require FAA registration or remote ID, offering hassle-free flying for recreational users. Extended flight time. Experience longer flights with the DJI Mini 2 SE, boasting a maximum flight time of 31 minutes. Plus, with the combo package including 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, you can enjoy up to 93 minutes of total flight time asterisk, allowing you to explore and create more without interruption. Easy-to-use shooting templates. The DJI Fly app features intuitive shooting templates that allow the drone to automatically fly, record, and generate professional-level videos. Share your aerial adventures directly on social media with ease, thanks to these user-friendly features. Advanced transmission range. With DJI OcuSync transmission technology, the Mini 2 SE offers a 10 kilometers maximum transmission range, ensuring reliable connectivity and enhanced anti-interference capabilities. Fly further and capture more stunning footage with confidence. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.